Kofi,
share the next issue because
no, 1 minute cry.
Then you come back and forth at
1 minute cry. I will appreciate it.
Okay,
1 minute
because
you see, you're Ghana for NTBBS, and this is NPP NDC. Tell me, I'm catch Ghana for say, ABC Quine, QRST Quine, UVW Quine. But too basic. Sebin Preduasa say a fact class 6 ni, a president. Ebe for me government obey kwai obey hospital obesi like some you see the greatest asset a leader can be quit is not building monuments and no sebi as we spending officer now project scrum mo yen kra no omo nim project management project be our timelines adentina omo timi started project now omo timi ka say in a year's time I'll maybe not 12 years down the line now party for sa ba ontimi investigate and charge it just say oba the usual thing.
Thank you. And
I'm
dealing with the illegal galamsey report on the government official position on Frimpong Boateng's report. Yeah, Sesi, the fight against illegal mining. Have we lost it? Considering reporter Attorney General Eddie Abba on Frimpong Boateng's expose, and if we are 2 ASEAN sentenced to 15 years. Any of them you want to touch on? Nah, you deal with that.
Kofi, Obiya Kachino say. Or fighting corruption, a political gimmicks.
Or fighting illegal mining.
Or fighting illegal mining. Fighting illegal mining, no. The exchange now say, it is a bobo, na a substitution. Ye change. What is it? Or shame, especially the NPP government, catches of fighting illegal mining, a substitution, keke, or eliminate TB. Na or the for babishim. I am telling you, authority say. Just as in January 2021 to October 2021, this current government could hold the nation to ransom. Now, when ye MMDCs for 10 months, knowing very well said national development is equal to the aggregate of district development. Now, seeing cases or where Alan John Kojo Martin and as a president for aligned MMDCs. Now, where you already, our more you already say they are aligned. No, Sana Galamsey fighting no etie. Or shushem na wa pamo sebio omu nye aban no nkrofo omu ye involved in illegal mining now was substituted with party apparatchiks any omu sebio omu kuma party no into a partisan idea. What fight? Professor Frimpong Boateng, what length and breadth did he not go? At the end of the day, on one kasadene yede no fighting galamsey when you have executive powers are constitution they are when you are fighting galamsey as we speak there's a Kintampo waterfalls in Asai. There is no waterfall in Kintampo anymore because it's up dirty for there maybe you may get command cran so a command cry in Zuno when you have all these powers and Kenya won't crop for a brand TB. I met a gentleman who say obey how do we call it t-shirts the boy movement for change because on one kasa way into mining now Otena said was none of them is serious because on one kasa no ofili say baby oye no obi anko ho unu de nti obi anko ho because NPP penifo bi how do you call it omo area and omo no anya bi into what the military name ho but other places are colleagues no every now and then omo torment omo. Professor Frimpong Boateng when personality your papa na colleagues na reporter or the buy a bit dirty as far back as within the first term and nothing was done about it. So where is the fight? Where is the fight? Why are we deceiving ourselves? Where is the fight? When Obisuba without any fear of God, no defending. Adia yes so glaring obi ani tuam adia detrimental to the life of human beings and even the aquatic world. Any pan fa say I am fighting galamsey. Is that how we fight? Is that how we fight? You who said the NPP fighting Mahama in 2016. You who said the NPP fighting NDC and Mahama in 2016. With clear conscience, with sincere heart. But we know, me say a substitution. Papa no report. Say the AC Jojo Papa no. You traumatized Papa no. She said Ghana there. Said the George Orwell. We say what kind of cry? Adani Revolutionary Act. Just a while, we can no umum ne be sideline wo. Why be can no umum and be victimize wo. Why should it be so? And Ghanaians are sitting unconcerned, watching. Said the be can. It is not for the wickedness of persons like this. And a my suffer, but the silence of good people. NPP aba, NDC aba. Anytime they say they are fighting something, no, there are classical cases to support the fact say it is not a fight, and the fight is not I mean for the national good, but the fight is for political expediency and our party apparatchiks. And they fight. Are we not sick and tired of NPP and DC? And I know bit say baby how do we call it US almost Democrats and a Republican and I'm saying they have a national development plan. Do we have? There is a very slight room for amendment. Veer off the national development plan. Just say rumor Obama buy 1% and you make a person outside the development plan. We don't have a development plan. It is only the movement for change that has come with a development plan. Inherent in the development plan, industrialization, options. You don't necessarily have to go and involve yourself in illegal mining and say so and say and then nutrients to be able to live. That is what we need. And yet the usual game mixer NPP NDC around sempa and around sempa mehu and they say omukasa mu nyina mehu say source of funds omode form ya buying taxes and loans. Taxes and loans instead of thinking outside the box like Alan Martin does. Now or the PSI initiatives billions of dollars every year. These two political parties are clueless when it comes to innovation. The only manage digitalization. What is digitalization? We don't change digitalization. It comes to meters. Because you want to know, and you're going to say use your phone. Or you man also my use your phone. Or at a point, okay, my man download WhatsApp. And one person about to yen chase no, and this will be a human. And no. Abra only expertise be apart from being an economist. No, running away from economics, IT, and you feel say such person can come and better manage the economy of Ghana. Then we are lying to ourselves. Fight or mobile fight be an more parochial interest and more fight here. And evidential enough. 32 years MPP NDC. Awenia Ghana Lusuano 32 years no. The whole plane. I said, Omankasa fight for interest for their interest and not for the national good. Professor Frimpong Boateng are victimizing no. Ya also papa. In fact, I was an age, you are shaking them and you machine. And you on one case and you cry in mudiemu and experiences be when you're in life. The man could have even passed out because of a quiet in fast war. For what? We are babunet you. And then the papa near sir. Oh my yabubo mudino at a relaxing edidi etu kwai koba. Now on noa. Who are bonificent based on position modern man no who about report to also and can take action na jo minus you na nchirima ba omo boy triso and no meyen e that camera mu no onu mom na victimizing. Why should it be so? 7.9 I didn't know basa. I am telling Ghanaians we are Ghana ni utiem ohweme tie na hye so bibia no ebesesa dia NDC here no MPP me try NDC option you find say option no oba be track the MPP so here no because MPP ba here no oba be track the NDC here no so bebre the way to go any obia sebio obeka oman na bomu obia said na no reading e kasa no we say NDC mo no den ya ye wo omo ni oman no ho adwen papa. Alan Martin stated it clearly. MPP mo madwen papa. So here nipa 8 na form government. Obehwe MPP mo na 30 ye kama. Obehwe NDC mo na 30 ye kama. But say MPP we ni a and am say 30 no mo man ho do no. Na 7 preduasa 50 aka ye nwura nti no. Ofa 30 na ohia 82 e dey form government. It was of nwura 50 ni ka ho. So the same applies to NDC. So what about my NDC by when ya? Offer 30 no my adwemu eye kamado man ho do na. I was say offer sebio enwura 50 no be kam. It definitely results are equals we 32 years down the line. So results ya na benya. Ba Lancho Martin say, "Oto abama na. Obefa NDC 30 na omo man ho do no. No afa MPP 30 no omo man ho do no. Na 20 aka no. Okwa fa every non-political class obu a omo man ho do omo dwenhwe kan omo kro omo die mu krono ketase hye pro ne kan eni o mafa so that we get value for money. Is he asking for too much? We get value for money. At the end of the day, no, you can be rest assured. Say, any government our for minimum.
Thank you.
And or not as a person, also no. You nim su any buy or credibility or competence or integrity. If such a person is leading the front, I mean, you say what was here, or be pakisika with them. What was here, or the bibisha on sa, or be akwa garden kofu bisa mu da muntu gala when we are fighting.